Well, it may not be a surprise to find out that Americans spend millions of dollars every year on beauty products, but what's inside those products often is. And according to our next guest, Liz Miranda, founder of Amazon Healing Potions, it is possible to find products that are not only good for you, but that are also good for the environment. Liz, welcome.
Well, hi, how are you?
Good. You know, I know that you've created a very unique product line. Tell us a little bit about it.
Amazon Healing Potions, it's all natural skincare line with ingredients from the Amazon rainforest. They're 100% pure, everything is wild harvest, no synthetic ingredients, no chemicals. Everything is 100% active ingredient.
This one I know is for acne. I'm surprised to see it in an oil.
No, these oils, the properties are antibacterial, antifungus. It helps clear up.
So they have so many uses.
Some oils you can use for so many things. Insect repellent.
Anti-aging, wrinkles. What do you have for that?
I put it in a roller and makes it easier. Because it's just 100% active ingredient, it lasts so much longer.
Big name brands are a lot more expensive, but they're only using a very small amount of these oils.
They use 3 to 5%. You pay much more, and you're not helping the environment also.
Now, what do you have for scars and scarring?
Amazon Healing Potion, a little roll-on to carry in your purse, to the gym, because you never know when you're gonna get hurt or burned. And even after it's healed, if you keep using it, you will not have any scars.
Yeah, now you had mentioned that it's sort of part of a social project.
It's a social project saving the Amazon rainforest by helping small communities and tribes to profit for their vast knowledge of the forest.
So it's all about preserving the forest, and at the end of the day, consumers really benefit by having such amazing products at their fingertips. Well, Liz, thank you so much for your time today. These are products that are good for the environment, good for you,
and good for your health.
Good for your health.